Hi everyone, welcome back. Today I'm gonna show you how to make my favorite variation of the old fashioned. Absolutely delicious. And we're gonna smoke it using cherry wood. Now the smoker set is finally available. It comes in a 21 piece. I will leave the link down in the description for you. Alright, without further ado, let's go! Alright, so for this cocktail we're gonna need bourbon, demerara syrup, Peychaud's aromatic bitters, and orange bitters. Start with ice. For a richer and smokier flavor, we're gonna smoke the glass. For this old-fashioned, I'm gonna use cherry wood. I'm gonna use the spoon that comes with it. A little wood chips go a long way. Cover and set it aside. Ice into mixing glass. 2 ounces of bourbon. 3 dashes of both bitters. And 3/4 of an ounce of demerara syrup. We're gonna mix. We're gonna strain it. And we're ready to garnish. Luxardo cherry. And we're gonna flame an orange peel. Alright, time for a taste test. Cheers! Oh, this is so good. The demerara syrup perfectly balanced this cocktail. And the cherry wood smoke flavor take this cocktail to another level. This is my favorite variation of the old fashioned. I'll give it a 10 out of 10. And that's how you make this cherry wood smoked old fashioned. Alright, if you guys like the video, give it a thumbs up, and if you want to learn how to make more cocktails like this, make sure you hit the subscribe button if you haven't already. Also hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, and as always, until the next one, cheers!